Today we're using the Linear Actuator Speed versus Force Tradeoff Interactive Calculator, which determines how applied load affects actuator speed and power output. Let's start with the drop-down menu for unit system, which offers metric with millimeters per second, newtons and watts, or imperial with inches per second, pounds force, and watts. We'll use metric for this demonstration. The calculator has 3 input fields. First is no load speed in millimeters per second, where you enter your actuator's speed with no load applied. Second is max force rating in newtons, your actuator's maximum force capacity. Third is applied load in newtons, the actual load your actuator will carry. Let's calculate using 10 for all 3 values. No load speed is 10 millimeters per second, max force rating is 10 newtons, and applied load is 10 newtons. After clicking Calculate Speed and Performance, we get these results. Loaded speed is 0.0 millimeters per second, power output is 0.0 watts, and load ratio is 100%. The calculator also warns us this is a very high load condition with minimal speed available, and suggests considering a higher capacity actuator for better performance. This tells us our actuator cannot move under this load since we're applying its maximum rated force. Find the link in the description below.